Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what are the factors that shift the supply curve. Basically, in our previous lecture, we have discussed about movement, shifting, extension, contraction, rise and fall of supply. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what are the factors that shift the supply curve. So basically, there are five major factors which shift the supply curve. The first one is price of input that are being used in the production of that good. Second one is the technological changes. Third one is the price of substitute goods in the production process. Fourth one is the number of firms in the market, and fifth one is the expected future prices. So if any change occur in these uh, five things, they will shift our supply curve. First of all, let's discuss about prices of inputs. So when prices of inputs increases, so when input price of input increases, so now firm will supply less in the market, so supply decreases. Similarly, when there is technological changes, when the firm have new or modern technology in order to production for the goods, so when technology there is improvement in technology or technology increases, so there will be more supply in the market. Similarly, when price of substitute goods decreases, there will be more supply in the market. When there are more number of firms in the market, let's say in earlier stages there are only 40, let's say, firm operating in the market. Now there are 100 firms in the market. So when the number of firms are increasing in the market, the number of supply will increases in the market. And when the expected future prices are going to increase, when the expected future prices PEXP expected future prices increases, so now the firm will supply less today in the market, because they will hold the supply by their warehouses, and they will supply more in future when the price increases. Similarly, when the producer are assuming that expected future prices are going down, they will supply more today, as they know that in future when price decreases, their profit decreases. So in order to avoid that loss, they will supply more today. So all of these scenarios all of these scenarios will shift our supply curve, as all of these variable are outside of the model, and they are not directly related with the price of that good. So in case of any change occur in these all five variables, they will shift our supply curve. So let's assume that it is our initial supply curve S1. So when price of input increases, for example, when price of input increases, so firm will supply less in the market. So this decrease in supply not because of uh, the price of this product itself, but the price of inputs. So in this scenario, firm will supply less. So supply curve will shift to leftward from S1 to S2. So this is called shifting of the supply curve. Similarly, let's say about the number of firms in the market. So here is that price, supply. It is our initial supply curve. So let's assume there are 40 firms in the market. They are supplying this amount of production in the market. So now when firms number increases from 40 to 100, the supply increases. So when supply increases, supply curve shift to rightward. So this increase in supply not because of price level, other than the price level. So when there is any change in those factors which are other than the price, they will shift our supply curve. So in this way, supply curve shift from left to right. So when supply increases because of those factors which are other than the price, supply curve will shift to rightward. And when supply decreases due to factor other than the price, then supply curve will shift leftward.